Hello friends, welcome to my channel Explore the World Dilse. Today I'll show you the best places to visit in Jabalpur, which is situated in Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh gathers a lot of tourists every year. Jabalpur is a city in Madhya Pradesh which shines as the most popular city for tourists because of its wide variety of unique spots serving different views, visuals, and stories. Here are the top 10 places in Jabalpur that you should not miss if you are in Madhya Pradesh. The first one is Kanha National Park. The beauty of the wildlife cannot be seen through laptop and phone screen. Real life sightings are important. That is why, even though Kanha National Park is not situated in Jabalpur, but its mere distance from the city makes it a must visit place. The second one is Madan Mahal Fort. Madan Mahal Fort is the ancient quarters of the gaunt Queen Rani Durgavati, thus acquiring the local name Rani Durgavati Fort. It is one of the best places to visit in Jabalpur with family. The fort stands at 500 meters tall. Third one is Gavari Ghat. Gavari Ghat serves as a famous ghat of Ma Narmada. Its presence is made more special because of the half-submerged temple. The water does not stop the temples. Devotees from offering daily prayers and holding beautiful aartis in the evening. The prayers are to Ma Narmada. The fourth one is Chausit Yogini Temple. Chausit Yogini Temple can be admired if you are ready to climb 150 steps. The temple is mainly dedicated to Ma Durga and is considered one of the oldest heritage sites. The devotees also pray to Lord Shiva and offer their intercessions to Ma Durga's yoga. The fifth one is Dondar Falls. Dondar Falls is the best place to visit in Jabalpur. The fall is so widely sought out because of its unique fall and smoke sequence. The falls are at a height of 30 meters and emit smoke because of its water vapors. It is situated at Bheda Ghat at Narmada River. The sixth one is Marble Rocks. Bheda also houses another popular Indian tourist site, the Marble Rocks. These rocks have a river, Narmada, flowing right from their edges, which has resulted in an 8-kilometer gorge. Earlier, this gorge was not very deep and had monkeys. The seventh one is Balancing Rock. Jabalpur's Balancing Rock is a gift of Mother Nature. It is a geological formation in which it appears as if a rock is being balanced on another rock. The rock that appears to be balanced is proportionally sized as the base rock. The Balancing Rock of Jabalpur has not crumbled. Eighth one is Dumna Nature Reserve Park. Dumna Nature Reserve Park is quiet and a beautiful eco-tourism site. It is a home to cheetah, wild boar, porcupine, jackal, and many species of birds. The reserve is also famous for its Khandri Dam that was built in 1883. The perfect combination of wildlife. Ninth one is Baghi Dam. Baghi Dam was one of the first dams built on River Narmada. It stands at a height of 70 meters and a good tourist spot. The dam also allows boating and will take you as close the safety distance states. The restaurant near the dam offers great service. The last one is Rani Durgavati Museum. Rani Durgavati was a brave gaunt queen who had fought the Moguls and kept them away from her region. That is why her name is still in the hearts of all the people in Jabalpur. Rani Durgavati Museum has been built to honor, learn, and retell her valiant stories. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like the video, then please do subscribe, like, comment, share to my channel.